Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to symbolize a DEM and create a hillshade quickly and easily in ArcGIS Pro. Once I have my DEM loaded into the map, I open the Symbology panel. By default, ArcGIS Pro usually displays DEMs using a stretch renderer with a continuous color ramp. Here we can see the minimum and maximum elevation values of the raster. You can change the color scheme and use different terrain color ramps depending on the style you want for your map. For this example, I'm going to use an elevation color ramp. To improve the contrast of the terrain model, I go to %clip and I use 2% for both the minimum and maximum values. This removes extreme values and creates a cleaner visualization with better contrast. Now I can customize the terrain colors. ArcGIS Pro includes several useful elevation color schemes such as terrain or elevation. These color ramps help represent low, medium and high elevations more clearly. In this example, I'm going to add more blue to highlight the water areas. Now let's create the hillshade. ArcGIS Pro allows us to do this very quickly using the Hillshade Raster function. I go to Geoprocessing and type Hillshade. I leave everything with the default parameters and run the tool. Once I have the hillshade, I place it above the DEM in the layer panel. This is where the visualization really changes. I select the hillshade layer and go to Raster Layer, Effects. Here I change the transparency to 10% and change the layer mode to multiplied. This combines the terrain colors with the hillshade shadows and creates a much more realistic result. And that's it. Now we have a properly symbolized DEM, a clean hillshade, better terrain contrast, and a much more professional terrain visualization. Fast, simple, and perfect for cartography, terrain analysis, and GIS presentations. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.